Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Meet Machali, the tigress who fought and ended the life of a 14-foot crocodile. New poll shows 49.9% of people wait at least 1 month before washing their bedsheets. Only in China, public toilets now have smart urinals where you pee and it shows your health results. Cost only $3, shows key urine indicators like pH, glucose, infection signs. Thor 24, the world's most expensive truck that has 3,974 HP, sold for $13 million. Sleeping a lot, especially at night, makes your face soft and beautiful. Sometimes the person who treats you coldly loves you. The life cycle of a penny. In the 1950s, Macy's department store in New York City employed Dobermans as part of its night security team. In 1949, a US senator attempted to ban popcorn in cinemas. During a Senate hearing about it, another senator handed out free popcorn. The law was never passed. The marble floor of this bank has been worn down from years of people standing. In medieval Germany, it was common to start the day with a hearty beer soup. This blend of beer and bread served as a nutritious breakfast that filled the stomach and made the harsh realities of medieval life slightly more bearable. Coffee cup from a year of stirring. New study shows that God-centered relationships last longer. Older bees do not return to the hive at night. A frustrated Lufthansa pilot created this 15-mile-long shape in the sky after being diverted from Sicily to Malta. Scientists say dogs are entering in a new stage of evolution. Cooking your rice with coconut oil can help reduce blood sugar levels, decrease fat storage, and promote gut health. Even in the middle of nowhere, cruise ships follow international sea lanes. Reveal a small, harmless secret about yourself to make them feel safe opening up bigger ones. Rub apple slices on your face. The natural acids in apple help tighten skin, reduce oiliness, and refresh your face instantly. Act slightly confused when accused. It makes the accuser doubt their own certainty. Most color printers create tiny yellow tracking dots on each page that are invisible to the naked eye, recording information about the printer and a timestamp. This technology was largely kept secret until the early 2000s. The white, stringy, spongy substance found in oranges and other citrus fruits is called the pith. It is rich in fiber and contains as much vitamin C as the fruit itself, making it very healthy to eat. In 1963, a 16-year-old sent a 4-question survey to 150 well-known authors to prove to his English tutor that writers do not intentionally add symbolic content to their books. The first laws banning food coloring were related to bread. White bread was expensive, so some bakers added chalk to lighten dark bread. King Edward I enacted a law stating that anyone caught using whiteners in bread would be placed in the public pillory for 1 hour. The Pyrenean ibex went extinct in 2000 when a tree fell on the last one. In 2009, her clone died, making it the only species to have gone extinct twice. A track has been shown to decrease anxiety by 65%. It's titled Weightless by Marconi Union, and it was created to help slow your heart rate, lower blood pressure and reduce cortisol levels. It's so powerful that listening to it while driving can be risky. Nicolas Cage once owned a pet octopus because he thought it helped his acting. Cage believed that watching the octopus movements would inspire his performances, adding to his reputation for eccentric behavior. In 2006, a couple who had been lost for 3 nights in the San Jacinto Mountains of California were rescued after they were managed to light a signal fire using matches they found in an abandoned camp. The camp belonged to a hiker who had vanished exactly 1 year before their incident. When asked about 50 years of research what he knew about the reason people sleep, William Dement, founder of Stanford University's Sleep Research Center, answered, "As far as I know, the only reason we need to sleep that is really solid is because we get sleepy." 8 habits that Indians do which causes serious brain damages. The longest development period for a video game is 14 years and 43 days, officially announced on April 28, 1997 by developer 3D Realms. The FPS Duke Nukem Forever was finally released on June 10. Fruits with high oil, low oil. Fruits with high protein, low protein. Fruits with high calorie, low calorie. Fruits with high calcium, low calcium. Fruits with high vitamin C, low vitamin C. Fruits with high iron, low iron. Thanks for watching.